My.
Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of XKUBE Connects. My name's George and this is Mr. Uni. Welcome to game 3 of 4 of the XKUBE giveaway contest. If you've missed both games 1 and 2, do not worry, it's not too late. You can still enter them and we'll put all the links below in the description. Remember, every game you play, you can earn up to 12 entries. That is 12 entries. 12 entries to win the ultimate prize of the Ultima Cosa 8-liter air fryer and other prizes. A 3D pen, a Shimono car vacuum, an XKUBE hoodie, and the ultimate grand prize of the Ultima Cosa 8-liter air fryer. All right, let's get into game 3. Game 3. Game 3. In the previous video, we unboxed the XKUBE 3D pen. This is going to get a little bit harder as we're going to ask a total of 2 questions. Please answer each question separately in separate guesses. So the first question is, what is included in the XKUBE 3D pen package? And the second question is, what can you do to protect your fingers? The link to enter the contest is in the description below. Simply click on the link and enter your guesses. Each correct guess will net you 5 entries, and each incorrect guess will net you 2 entries, for a possible total of 12 entries. Stay tuned for the final game of Game 4 to earn more entries. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that like button as well as the big red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell as well to get notified of the next video. Good luck and stay safe.
My.